Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can create an SMS bot on to your BotPenguin account. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account, and once you are logged in, simply click on the left hand side bot section, and on the top of your screen you will get an option of create bot. From here you will choose the SMS and texting option, and you will get an option of select business call to customize your bot. You can choose any option from here, let's say lead generation, and I will proceed to next. Once I will click on proceed to next, it will take some time and the bot will be created successfully. So this is how you will create the SMS bot to your on your BotPenguin account, and from this section you will manage your chat flows, and from this section you can install it to your with your Twilio integration. You can install it, and next thing is this AI knowledge base. From here you can train your knowledge base, and next section is the automation section from where you can do the broadcast and the drip campaign, and next thing is the AI settings. From here you can decide the behavior of these are the general settings that you can configure. These are the AI settings that you can configure, and next is the trigger that you can trigger the chat flows from here, and last thing is the third party integration, where you will get all the third party integrations that are available for this bot. And this is how you can configure you can create the chat flow, the SMS chatbot, basically the BotPenguin platform. Alright, that's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good one. Bye.